Evening, folks. Tonight I thought I'd do a video on an older style of snap-on screwdriver that hasn't been made for a while. They do make some orange ones in the hard handle now, but I haven't seen too many black ones. We have a 5-piece set of Phillips, and they are the SDDP 3-1, which makes this a Phillips 3-inch number 1. We have the SDDD P42, which makes it a Phillips 4-inch number 2. We have the SDDP 6-3, which of course Phillips 6-inch number 3. SDDP 6-4, which makes it the Phillips 6-inch number 4. And we have one that's probably the rarest one of all of them. We have an SDDP 123, which makes it a Phillips 12-inch number 3. Of course, all 5 of these are bolstered. The number 1 takes a 1/4-inch wrench. The number 2 takes a 3-inch wrench, 3/8-inch wrench. The number 3, 7/16. The number 4, a 1/2-inch. And the 12-inch number 3 takes a 7/16. So like I say, these haven't been made for a while. A couple of them are pretty hard to find. You can still find a couple of the others, but so it's a pretty neat set. I'm happy to own it. If you like my content, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.